Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You already have Next.js and a GA4 ID, so start by installing a minimal gtag wrapper or keep native gtag. First, add the GA script tag into pages/document, JS, or use next/head in app, JS to inject the measurement ID. This ensures the browser loads analytics before navigation. Once done, create a util/gtag. JS with send event and page view helpers so you can call them from components. Make sure to protect the ID behind an env var for production builds. Next, wire page view tracking into the app router in pages/app. JS subscribe to router, events. On route change complete and call your gtag. Page view with the new URL. This captures SBA navigation that GA would otherwise miss. You should also instrument important interactions, buttons, forms, outbound links using gtag. Event, helper to supply event name and params. Make sure to guard calls so they only run in production, and batch frequent events to avoid throttling or skewed metrics. To finish, deploy your build to a staging or production environment and validate hits using GA4 debug view and the browser network tab to confirm gtag requests. Carry the correct client ID and page location. If you see no data, make sure consent banners aren't blocking scripts and test with ad blockers disabled, because blockers often prevent hits. One key troubleshooting tip: instrument a simple link click event locally and observe the debug view. That isolates routing versus tag injection.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.